Hello review fans, I'm Ben Curry and you're watching Tool Talk from Expert Trades. Today I'm going to be reviewing the GripIt plasterboard fixing. You might have seen these Dragon's Den, I think this was. Also Screwfix are a big stockist, and most electrical wholesalers have these in stock now. I kind of think it might not be the next Wago block, but it's definitely a new product that's hit the market and is taking off. I see a lot of people talking about it. So I'm going to open this up, I'm going to show you what's in there and what you get in the set and what is a GripIt fixing. So on the back it starts by telling you all about the fixings, about the colour coding and what they can actually do and what you can do with them. So it says here, it shows you on here how you drill a hole, and each one of these in a different size and a different colour has a different hole that you drill. So you drill a hole with a spade bit, 20 mil, 15, 18, 20 and 25 mil. Of course GripIt sell those drill bits as well, but you can buy any. And then you push in your GripIt into the plasterboard. So you just push it in, tap it in, and you're ready to go. It's got two little fins that you turn, and I'll show you that in a second, and then you're all set, and then you can just drive your screw into the centre. Now it comes with the screw that you're supposed to use with it to hold the weight as well. And then it's got a safe load weight alongside it. Now this is bearing in mind that it's going into plasterboard. Now plasterboard is only as strong as the plasterboard. However, saying that, I have a mirror hanging in my hallway at home using the blue fixings from here, and the mirror's probably 30 kilos, and it's been there a year, no problems. So it is pretty solid. Now it says here all the weights have been tested on 15mm plasterboard. And it's pretty good. So that's like the starter set selection box you get. I think pick this up at Screwfix. Then in the kit you get various different colours of these. The different colours, the different sizes and different weights. Now with each of these you get a screw. So you've got the yellow ones come with the smallest, the red ones a bit bigger, and then the brown and the blue are actually threaded, so you get a 6 and an 8mm threaded bolt to go into them. Now what you can struggle with on these is when you thread that into there, that's one turn, that's 2 turns, that's only 3 turns of thread, and already you've only got half an inch of space there. So what you can run into is you've got your fins out on that. You've got your whatever you're hanging on the wall has not got enough depth to go through to get sufficient. You know, you've only turned it 3 or 4 times and you bottomed out. So I don't know what the manufacturer instructions are, but I've used longer. I've bought my own longer bolts before to go in. So that's it, really. That's what you get. It's kind of a weird setup. So you tap it in, and then using these like pegs, so the hole it recommends you drill is to this size here, then using these pegs, when you tap it in, they really grab the plasterboard, and then you have to turn these screws here. Let me get a blank one that you can see a bit better. Turn these screws here, and that opens the fins out to really grab the plasterboard. So you're ending up with that much grabbing the plasterboard. Okay, so you're never going to hang a massive ton of weight off just one of these. Normally if you're holding a TV up, you've got like 8 of them in, and it does the job, definitely does the job. The centre section as well, when you tighten it up, it kind of clicks. You know, you can push it for depth. There you go, so you've got a bit more depth on that, and that is where you lose your you know, that's, you see what I mean with that? Not good. So yeah, I've used them a bit. I've not used them a massive amount. I'm not going to tell you I've used packs and packs of these and give you a fully comprehensive review, but I have used them enough to like them and have to invested in a bit of the setup kit. These red ones are good because they're so it's an 18mm hole on them, and it says it takes a 5mm, not a 5 by 30mm screw. So that, to me, I drive 2-inch 10s into that, so that's like the perfect size for one of them. So you get a longer screw. So if you've got to go through, let's say you're mounting a batten to a wall, you've got a 2-inch batten, you can drive your 2-inch 10 through through the batten and then into there, and they do a brilliant job for that. So yeah, they're good. I'm a fan so far, and I always like a new product and a new gadget to play with. So early adopter me, eh? Yeah, we'll see. Early adopter with all this stuff on the floor when it's fell off the wall. But no, hopefully that shouldn't happen. I've had nothing but good experience with them so far. I actually hung, the most recent when I've used this was a bathroom medicine cabinet, I suppose they used to be called. A bathroom cabinet above a sink, weighed a ton. We managed to get one side into the joist, or the stud work. The other side we used, well, I started by trying to use the blues, and that was when I ran into the issue of not having the right depth of bolts. So we actually went in with the reds and put some number 10 screws through them, and it was brilliant. Really, it's just absolutely rock solid. You could hang off it. So yeah, that's the GripIt set multi kit. I think in Tool Talk on the app, you can review the different sizes on these. And like I say, my favourites are the reds, but they're all pretty good. So, right, that's the GripIt plasterboard fixing. I've been Ben Curry. You're watching Tool Talk. Thanks for watching.